Okay, continue reading. Ayan. After siyang binigyan ng doctor ng hat, Mermaid say, "Thank you," and she waved a funny goodbye as the team of flying doctors sped away into the sky. Ayan o. Nagpapay siya sa mga doctors because doctors help the mermaid. Are they good job? Did they good job? Good job sila. Good job because they help the mermaid. They're kind. They're the doctors, the flying doctors. Next one. As the sun rose higher, they saw a unicorn. Ayan, nakita sila unicorn. This one. They saw a unicorn. He bowed and ground and whined. "I've grown an extra horn," sabi ng unicorn. Humaba na yung kanyang horn. It's getting long. That's why she needs help from the doctors. So the doctor helped them. Ayan o, bang crashed up and they landed. "I'll help you," said the knight, and he cut the horn off gently to the unicorn's delight. Ayan, the doctor helped. The doctor cut her horn because it's too long. Ayan, okay? The unicorn said, "Thank you," said the unicorn, "for taking so much care." And the team flying doctors sped away into the air. Lumipad ulit sila, lumipad. Wait lang. Lumipad, at hanap ulit sila ng tutulungan. Oh my God, there's a lion. Halfway through the afternoon, they heard a lion sneeze. Ayan o, the lion is sick. "I caught the flu," the lion roared. "Can someone help me, please?" And the doctor heard the lion, so they gave her a medicine for her cough and cold. Yeah. And take this pill and you keep warm. That's terribly important when you're ill. Ayan o, hini-help niya. Good job ulit ang doctor. Good job. Good job.